Unlocking the power of Moringa, a nutritional marvel amidst controversy. Moringa, often hailed as the miracle tree, has recently captured the attention of health enthusiasts everywhere. Its leaves are not just a trend, they are packed with incredible nutrients and offer a wide range of health benefits, from controlling blood sugar levels to aiding digestion. But here's where it gets intriguing. Moringa leaves might also play a role in slowing down brain aging. #Separating myth from reality. In a recent video on Instagram, Dr. Pal Manicum, a gastroenterologist specializing in the benefits of incorporating Moringa into your diet. A digestive ally. If you frequently experience digestive issues or suffer from chronic acid reflux, characterized by a burning discomfort after meals, Moringa could be a game changer for you. According to Dr. Pal, these remarkable leaves not only promote healthy digestion, but also help to neutralize stomach acid once food makes its way into the intestine. This function can significantly benefit those grappling with gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Healing the gut linings. Loaded with anti-inflammatory properties, Moringa leaves can offer protection to your gut linings and significantly reduce chronic inflammation. This advantage is particularly beneficial for individuals whose digestive problems have been exacerbated by stress or recurrent infections. Enhancing digestive processes. Moringa is rich in phytochemicals, including glucosinolates, which are known to boost the production of digestive secretions. This natural enhancement can further improve the efficiency of your digestive system. Chapter 2. Regulating blood sugar, a lifeline for diabetics. Research highlighted by Medical News Today suggests that extracts from Moringa leaves may provide essential support for those living with diabetes. Studies indicate that these extracts can facilitate the stabilization of blood sugar levels, enhance insulin function, and diminish the risk of harm to crucial organs. Such benefits could significantly lower the chances of diabetes-related complications and could even slow the overall progression of the disease. Bidding farewell to stomach troubles. Moringa leaves may also act as a shield for your gastrointestinal health. Preliminary studies suggest that the compounds found in these leaves can potentially decrease the likelihood of colon cancer. Moreover, Moringa has a mild laxative effect, making it a natural remedy for constipation. Its ability to regulate excess stomach acid may help in the prevention of peptic ulcers, and its anti-inflammatory characteristics might protect the gut lining, making it beneficial for conditions like ulcerative colitis. Promising anti-cancer properties. Moringa leaves show fascinating potential in the realm of cancer prevention thanks to their unique chemical makeup. One significant component, niacinamide, is thought to hinder the growth and proliferation of cancer cells. Furthermore, scientific investigations suggest that not only the leaves, but also the bark and other parts of the plant could possess cytotoxic properties, meaning they might effectively target and eliminate harmful cancer cells. While further research is imperative, these findings highlight Moringa's possible role as a complementary strategy in mitigating cancer risk. How to integrate Moringa into your diet. Incorporating Moringa leaves into your daily meals is easy and versatile. They can be consumed raw by tossing them into salads or added to cooked dishes such as stir-fries and curries for an extra nutrient boost. Alternatively, you can brew Moringa leaves in hot water to create a refreshing tea. Dried Moringa leaves can be ground into a fine powder, which can then be added to smoothies, stirred into yogurt, mixed with oatmeal, or blended into various beverages for an effortless nutritional uplift. For those seeking concentrated nutrition on the go, Moringa is also available in easy-to-take capsule form. Chapter: A Conversation Starter. Given the wide array of health claims surrounding Moringa, there may be differing opinions on its efficacy and practicality in everyday diets. Have you tried incorporating Moringa into your meals? What results have you seen? Let's discuss in the comments below. Your thoughts could spark a fascinating debate about the power and potential pitfalls of this so-called miracle tree.